Thinking about a breast lift but unsure what it involves? Let's cut through the fluff and get to the heart of the matter, the procedure, the recovery, and the realistic results which you can expect. Hi, I'm Dr. Priya Bansal, your trusted confidant for all things cosmetic surgery. So a breast lift or mastopexy, it is designed to address droopy, saggy breasts. Now, when does this happen? Whether when you're pregnant or because of aging, excessive weight loss, breastfeeding, the breast they sag, and breast lift, it uplifts the breast and repositions the breast to a more youthful, perkier appearance. So, unlike breast augmentation, which increases the size, a breast lift focuses solely on lifting and tightening the sagging breast tissue. So, do you need a breast lift? Ask yourself these questions and you'll get your answer. So, are your breasts drooping, sagging, especially after pregnancy, breastfeeding, or weight loss? Do your nipples point downward? Have you noticed a change in your breast shape after weight loss? So, if you have answered yes to any of these questions, then a breast lift might be the right procedure for you. If you're considering future pregnancies, however, it is advisable to wait until you're done having children, you have completed your family, as pregnancy and breastfeeding could reverse the procedure's results. So now let us discuss the procedure proper. So this procedure, it is done under general anesthesia. Let us talk about the incisions. So if you have very minimal laxity and the nipple position needs to be elevated by a few centimeters, then we can do a crescentic technique where the incision, the scar, it lies in the upper part of the areola. If you have a little bit more laxity, then we can do a circumareolar technique where the scars will lie around the areola and excess skin around this will be removed and the breast will be lifted up something to a degree of 2 centimeters. Now, if you have more laxity to the grade of 2 and 3, then we will have to have more scars, and then we can either do a vertical scar or an inverted T or an L or J scar. So in this, along with the scar around the areola, there's a scar which goes down to the underbreast region. That's in the vertical technique, and in the inverted T or J technique, the scar, it goes down to the underbreast region and it extends laterally and inward if it's a T technique, or just laterally outward if it's a J technique. So these are the scars the cuts which would be made, and through these cuts the breast will be repositioned and reshaped to give you a more perky look. Along with this, if needed, sometimes when the breast sags, the nipple and areola complex also stretches. So if we need to resize that is also achieved at the same time. So now let's talk about the recovery. You will definitely need some downtime to heal. Most women, they can return to regular activities within a few days. There will be some pain and discomfort for a few days for which you would be given medications. And you will also have to wear a compression bra, a compression garment during the first 6 weeks to help minimize the swelling, to support the healing and to support the breast tissues. You also have to avoid doing pectoral exercises, chest muscle exercises for at least 4 to 6 weeks. So while you will notice changes early on, the full outcome, it becomes visible as the swelling decreases and as the breast falls into natural shape. So a breast lift will not make your breasts larger, but it will restore their youthful appearance. An experienced surgeon, they place the incision discreetly, and over time the scars, they decrease in visibility, they become lighter. It is important to have realistic expectations. So you'll be left with firmer lifted breasts that are contoured to your body and that can make a world of difference in how you feel about yourself. So is a breast lift worth it? If you are ready for a change and want to feel more confident about your body, it can be life changing. Just make sure you choose an experienced board certified surgeon who can guide you through the process. The results can be truly transformative and you deserve to feel your best. Thinking about a breast lift? Let's talk about your options. Reach out today for a consultation and let's take the first step towards a more youthful, confident you.